Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up Hisense Roku TV remote. Let's go. If you have an infrared Roku remote control, it does not require configuration. If you have a Wi-Fi remote control, open the battery compartment. Hold down the pairing button for 5 seconds. If you don't have a pairing button, then press the back and home buttons for 5 seconds, or open settings, remotes, add remote, choose remote type, and follow the on-screen instructions. If the remote control does not work, replace the batteries. Or use Roku Virtual Remote Control. Your phone and your Roku TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's it. Now you know how to set up Hisense Roku TV remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.